Uh, Today the program I'm going to explain is to create a pattern using zeros and ones, in which zero should be in the middle position and ones should be, it can be either prefix or suffix, and total number of digits should be odd. So first I've declared a variable a of size 20, it's an array. Then I've also declared variables I, j, and n. And now I've used if condition where the number which I'm going to enter should be greater than or equal to 3, should be less than or equal to 19, and when divided by 2, its remainder should not be equal to 0. So I've used a bitwise AND operator. So obviously, if even one of these conditions is false, then the entire thing is false. Then I've also used a for loop in which I've initialized I as 0 and it's also incremented. So I've used an if condition where if I is equal to n by 2, where n is the number which we are going to give as an input, then a of I, that is array, should be printed as 0. If not, it will be printed as 1. Now this particular loop is actually used to print zeros and ones. Now the next loop here, this loop is used to create the actual pattern which we require. So I've used a for loop in which I initialize I to 0 and also is incremented, and similarly j is initialized to 0 and is incremented. Now I have used a condition where I is equal to j, and if I is equal to n, that is a number which we are given as input, minus j minus 1. I've used a bitwise operator, bitwise OR, in which at least if at least one of the condition is true, then one of it will be executed. So if the condition is true, then we print the array of I. If not, a white space will be printed. Now, if this condition is false, then it goes to the next line, and similarly the loop is continued until it reaches an n number which is given. So if we give a number which is anything but odd, so the condition we know is actually for odd number. So if we give something as an even number, then it would print invalid number. So now we'll go for the output. Now I give a number, for example 9, and you get the output like this. So now suppose if I give an even number, for example I give 6, so you get an invalid number because our condition is only for odd numbers and hence it won't be printed. So this is my program, and thank you.